Second most common is that the parties attempt to negotiate an outcome on their own, are unsuccessful, and so they turn to a mediator or a settlement conference presided over by a judge, and they get some outside assistance of someone who will come in and will give you their feedback on the case. They'll say your case sucks or their case sucks. Usually, that's an interesting scenario because that mediator will come into your room and say, you're going to lose in court, so you better settle. And then they'll turn around and go to the other side, go to their room and say, you're going to lose, and so you better settle. So nevertheless, that's a common way to resolve the lawsuit. And then the rest, they go all the way to the trial preparation. They go to the eve of trial and either the first day of trial, and finally someone comes to their senses and says, this is nuts, and let's resolve that. Of course, at that point, you've already spent a lot of money, and so it feels a little bit more forced then. And then those who don't just go ahead and finish the trial, and they get their verdict from either the judge or from the jury, and they either live with it or they appeal it. So being involved in any way in the civil litigation process is going to be life-changing. You're never going to forget the time you were involved in a lawsuit. It's a big deal in your life. And if you have any questions about that process, especially if you're contemplating entering into the process or trying to find a way out of the process, give us a call at the Sierra Crest Business Law Group.